Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool Pump Motor, part #W10861526. The Whirlpool Pump and Motor, part #W10861526, is a direct replacement for the original motor and pump assembly used in many Whirlpool washing machines. This motor and pump assembly is designed to provide powerful, reliable performance and features a durable construction that ensures long-lasting use. The motor is capable of producing up to 1/2 horsepower and can operate at speeds up to 1,725 RPM. The pump is designed to move up to 4 gallons of water per minute, making it ideal for washing large loads of laundry. This part also includes a drain hose and This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement pump and motor assembly for Whirlpool washing machines. It is used to replace a faulty or damaged pump and motor assembly, which can cause symptoms such as leaking, loud noises, or failure to drain water from the washer. Here is how you install this part. 1. Shut off the power to the pump and motor. 2. Disconnect the existing pump and motor from the plumbing system. 3. Remove any mounting hardware from the existing pump and motor. 4. Install the new Whirlpool Pump Motor, part #W10861526 in place of the old one, using the same mounting hardware if possible. 5. Connect the new pump and motor to the plumbing system, making sure all connections are secure and leak-free. 6. Turn on the power to the pump and motor, then test it for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com. Order residential appliance parts.